Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your virtual credit card at Union Bank. So it's a pretty simple process, and on their website, they've also given you a walkthrough of how to use your virtual credit card. And I'm going to take you with the step-by-step process on how to properly use it. So what you have to do is on your mobile app, first you of course have to download the application. And what you need to do is when you're logged in with your Union app, what you need to do is step one, you need to choose a card which will show up at your dashboard. From there, you need to simply press on the card, and then you need to go on the account details. When you're in account details, you need to press on manage card, which will show up with your name as you can see right here. After you've done that, they'll give you a one-time password which will show up on your phone number. You need to enter that code and it will redirect you where you can see your virtual card information. From there you can see all of the information that is of your card. You can see your card number, you can see its expiry date, you can basically see all your information from there. And this was a simple step-by-step process of how to view your virtual credit card. Subscribe